is Pawan. I joined Emertxe last year in order to gain technical skills and knowledge required to land a job in embedded systems domain and also survive in that domain. So Emertxe fully met my expectations in this regard. Emertxe has top-class faculty who are very well versed in their specific domains, and they provided conceptual level learning which helped me enhance my knowledge in the required technologies and helped me gain the required skills. Emertxe also provided very good assignments and also helped me do a lot of projects which helped increase my domain knowledge as well. Also, Emertxe has very good interview preparation sessions in order to clarify any doubts the candidate has before going to the placements. Even in the pandemic situation, Emertxe helped me by providing placement assistance, and I was able to get a job in Tata Elxsi because of the guidance and technical assistance provided by Emertxe. So I'm thankful to Emertxe for this.